Are you looking for that spa glow and the comfort of your own home? My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions. I've been a clinical esthetician for over a half a decade, and I'm going to show you how to do some at-home body scrubs. It is so easy. What you want to do is start with something that's a little bit abrasive. You can use sugar, any kind of sugar like a raw sugar, brown sugar is okay too. You can use coffee, which is what I'm going to use today. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of coffee into my little bowl here, and actually to even enhance the experience a little bit, this coffee has cinnamon and hazelnut, so it just smells delicious. So I put a little bit of coffee in there, and that's about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. And then I'm going to put some cocoa in it, and now cocoa is great for the skin because it's very stimulating, increases blood flow and circulation, which kills bacteria, which is really good. And now with this one, I'm going to add a little bit of almond oil. Almond oil is hydrating and soothing, and it's going to be a great carrier for your little body scrub. And then you're just going to mix it up. Oh my goodness, look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? You might want to do it in the bathtub because it could probably be very messy. And if that's not thick enough for you, go ahead. You can add some more coffee. You can add some more cocoa. And you just want to take it and smooth it onto your skin and spend some time with it. Not a lot of pressure because you don't want to irritate your skin. But just spend like 5 minutes gently rubbing, just letting the weight from your fingers do the work. And you're going to have smooth and glowing and delicious skin. You can also use shea butter instead of the almond oil, and that is very, very hydrating as well. My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and that is how you make your at-home body scrubs.